ice cream. Bitch, I am so icy. Hard cold like a ice queen. That's why they don't like me. Ha. Yeah, that's why they don't like me. Yeah. Swear they do not like me. Flex on a broke bitch. Flex on a broke hoe. Flex on a broke nigga. Flex on a broke nigga. Flex on a broke hoe. Flex on your ex nigga. Flex on your ex nigga.
Hey gems, it's Cindyrella OG and welcome back to another vloggy vlog. So guys, yeah, girls trip to Colorado. I know the music is playing in the background so I can't talk for long, but I'm here with Jessica.
I'm starving.
No, we're starving, y'all. And we're also matching per usual. Like, but y'all, I got my lashes done, my hair done, my nails done. Like, this is honestly the first trip where everything has gone cohesively for me. She's laughing because she knows my struggle. Like, this is the first trip, like, everything's just gone cohesively for me. So I'm just really glad. And I am getting paid, like, while I'm on my trip. So, you know, I'm excited. Are you gonna sit by me?
Yeah.
So, y'all, the airport is just so empty right now. I love how clean the environment is. I love how efficient everything is moving, especially even though we're in the midst of a pandemic going on right now. So yeah, I hope you guys are being safe out there. I hope you guys have voted. Oh my god, by the time this vlog comes out, we'll know who the next president is. Oh my god. Okay, so I hope you guys voted. I really hope you guys did. But aside from that, yeah, I'm really excited for this little girls trip. It's gonna be full of social distancing. We're gonna be staying in the cabin for the most part. Doing, you know. No, we are, yes. Yes.
Girls trip, huh?
Yes. Colorado.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Y'all have the 2 steak tacos.
That's you. 2 steak? I got 1 steak, 1 chicken.
I got 1 chicken. Yeah.
Oh, that's me. That's me. Thank you. I'm like, that's fake.
Do you need an extra plate to separate the tacos, or is that okay like that?
Oh, they're both mine. She has, yeah, they're both mine. She has her own coming. Yeah. No, yeah. No. What? So this has been going on for so long. But anyway, guys.
They're both mine.
No, they are mine. Let me show you my food. It looks so good. Like, what? They are both mine. I ordered this. This is mine. But anyway, so I'm about to eat my food.
Talk to y'all later.
Yeah, we'll talk to you guys when we get on the plane. Yay! Hola, mamacitas.
It's a girls trip.
Girls trip. Girls trip. Hey y'all.
Yeah, y'all thought we wasn't gonna make it.
No, yeah, I knew you were gonna make it.
You look cute.
Oh, yay! Thank you so much. Woohoo!
Yes, lady.
Thank you. You said what? Yeah.
Oh, and cheers. Wait, can I get my camera?
Wait, and then someone tag me so I can put it on my story. Thank you very much.
And we out. They're gonna be like, y'all sound like 10 a.m. Wait, let me put a little.
Wait, is someone gonna say what we cheersing to?
I am.
I don't know.
Go ahead, Lauren. You got it.
Oh, okay. This is to a great trip with beautiful women.
Ew.
And get into this.
Yeah, period. Cheers. All right, y'all. So shots have been taken. Food has been eaten.
I feel like my tummy.
No, bad. I literally, the shot is still there. So we're about to go ahead and board right now. Everybody's here. We're just waiting on 2 more people.
Can you curse on your channel?
I mean, you can. But yeah, y'all, so we're all ready to go.
Sounds great to me.
I think everyone's in line to get boarded now, guys. So we'll see you guys when we're ready to take off.
Colorado.
Period. Period. Woo woo. Woo woo.
Can I get a woo
All right, y'all. So we have made it to Denver.
We're recording.
Yes. This whole time. We have made it to Denver. We are now at.
Oh, it's a resort. Why is he telling me a resort?
We are at Tom's Urban. It's a restaurant inside one of the hotels in the airport, and we're just here chilling, waiting for
The waiter to come because we so hungry. She's right there. Oh damn.
You know what I was thinking, yo, that's what's taking her so long. She was cooking. What's going on?
She's gonna cook. She's gonna bring it.
I mean, no, have y'all seen like them episodes where like one person there like does everything? He's like the chef, and like he's the popsicles. Wait, what'd you say? What? You said I wanted what? Bye. Okay. So we're waiting on Kendi and Kayla, and yeah, then we're gonna go ahead and head to the Airbnb.
Nashville hot.
Full time. Okay guys, now that everyone's here, we're about to take a shot.
To living life.
To living life. Yes.
Living life, to making money.
The queens, the black queens.
Period.
To being boss bitches.
Period.
Period.
All right, guys.
Okay, everybody say the whole thing. If you don't say the whole thing, I swear to God, you gotta put $20 in.
City is struggling, y'all. She is dying.
I took it though. It's on. It's on. Yeah, just speak into it. Hold on.
So I just want to say I enjoyed it. We've got to go meet the lady who's coming to buy the car. And I just want to let you know that of all the times we've ever partied together, this has been the most recent.
I love it. Yeah. Yeah. Houston.
Guess where I went to college?
Where?
UT.
A&M.
Corpus Christi State.
Hey!
Texas A&M Corpus Christi.
Okay.
We're part of the Texas A&M.
Baylor.
Oh my God.
How do I zoom in? Oh my God, how do I zoom in?
I don't know.
Oh, there it is. Yo!
Oh
my God.
God.
Y'all, we have a little friend visiting us this morning. Hi!
Good morning.
Oh, he's peeing?
Like he's coming literally to our house.
Hi! He literally pulled up. Y'all, come down. Mm-hmm. Oh, yo. Oh! No!
No, somebody be seeing that.
Woo.
I swear.
Oh my God. Y'all.
I swear to God.
Oh, hell no.
Y'all better open the devil.
Oh, hell no.
How is he this close?
Yo. morning, everyone. So it is day 1 or 2, and I guess this is day 2. Day one of fun in Colorado. I still have my hair tied and wrapped up, but everybody is wearing their matching pajamas.
It's lit.
Say hi, everyone. Bianca. Hello. So today we are going to get into some fun things. I don't know what else we're doing. Right now we're just drinking our hot cocoa, and we're about to make some breakfast. Eggs and cinnamon rolls. Thank you. But yeah, so right now we're just kind of having a chill morning. But I showed y'all around the place. You know, it's really cool. But other than that, guys, you know, it's supposed to be a chill day. I think we are going into town today. I do like that you have to like basically reserve anytime you want to go somewhere, because we are about to go back into lockdown. So, you know, still maintaining social distancing and all that. So it's cool, you know, being healthy and stuff. You gotta drink a lot of water whenever you're coming out here to Breckenridge, because y'all, the altitude, because we're in the mountains, the altitude will really mess up your breathing. It'll mess up like your head. Like I had a headache. I had to knock out. I had to go to sleep because the altitude was really messing with me, and my monthly has come around, so I really I need to be on the clear for that. But yeah, so we're just having a chill morning. So good morning. I just wanted to check in with you guys and update you guys on how the trip is going. It's going wonderful though. It's good vibes only, and yeah. So I'm about to head back out there with the girls, and maybe we're gonna make some breakfast. See you guys in a minute. All right, y'all, so everyone's ready, and it is time for us to take our mimosas before we go ahead and head out. Look at this setup. Shout out to Kayla. This looks amazing. Thank you. All right, y'all, so everyone is getting ready right now. We're about to head out back over to Denver. It's about like an hour and a half drive. Everyone has their masks. We have our hand sanitizer, and basically everything that we need to make sure that we're safe. We're not gonna do anything drastic. I think we're about to go eat, and then just see what the city's about just a little bit. But yeah, so I'm wearing this a little fur coat from Boohoo, not actual fur, but yeah, and this bodysuit from J-Lux label. And these jeans, I think they're Fashion Nova, and some booties. Y'all know these infamous booties I've been wearing for years from Forever 21. So, yeah. So there's Bianca in the back. Hey, Bianca.
Oh, hey.
Kendi and Kayla are over there.
Hey!
And I think Jessica's in the restroom, and Lauren is changing. But everyone looks really cute. Everyone looks really good. And yeah, I'm excited for the day. I think it's gonna be a great time. So I guess I'll see you guys whenever we make it to our next destination. All right, y'all, so everybody is dressed and ready.
Hold on, I switched it up. Okay.
Period.
So jeans, right?
Period.
And then it's the,
Fits for days. Oh my god.
and then the socks stay.
And even Lauren, she's showing that shit off to Malik.
It's the details!
I'm dead. All right, y'all, so we're about to head out. To the Brutal Poodle, but I'm not gonna lie, even though we're in here, y'all, don't come here. What do you think about the food, Jessica? As y'all can hear, the music is like, and Get Out is literally playing right now. And I'm not saying nothing, but we are the only black folk in here. That's all I'm gonna say on that. But yeah, and it's Halloween.
Please don't.
I'm just saying, gotta get out before dark. Okay, never die. But anyway, so Yeah, I think I'm gonna get a burger because like when at places like this, like when in doubt, just get a burger. So I'm gonna get a Doodle burger and hopefully we'll see what it's like, you know, tasting like. So we actually decided that we don't want to go there, or stay rather. We're going to a different location that looks like it has better food, so that's where we're headed now. So guess what's happening later. Alright y'all, so we actually made it to our next destination. We are at this little cute restaurant. No, she's not.
He was like, thank you.
But we're at this cute little restaurant.
Forcing me to be nice.
Make some mimosas. And yeah, everyone's really hungry, so that's what we're doing right now. I'm playing Never Have I Ever. But say hi to everyone. Hey guys, what is going on? Is that cranberry?
This orange juice.
Okay, whenever y'all ready, it's cranberry.
But there's nothing. You're gonna have to pour. My glass is like small. Pour a little bit more.
You want
like,
more orange juice?
I just don't want it to look like I don't have anything in here.
What are you talking about?
In my glass.
You say you want more champagne?
Yeah, is there a little more?
Oh my god, just take mine.
No, it's okay.
Take mine, please.
It's okay. I'll just chill.
Do you want orange juice or cranberry?
No morals, just vibes.
No morals, just vibes.
No morals, just vibes.
Oh, they made Brussels sprouts actually look good. Like what? Alright y'all, so our sushi just came. So excited to eat it.
Some sauce on the side?
Yeah.
For those?
Look at this.
I had no sauce on my Brussels sprouts.
This actually
So
looks
that's
so
what I
good.
my
You
burger
had
is
lentils
here.
Yeah. Woohoo.
Yeah. You had no sauce on your
Yes,
sprouts
my
too?
Brussels sprouts. So is that my food?
Oh, both of them had no sauce?
No, the first one.
Hey guys, so it is now our last day here in Colorado. Sunday, the 1st of November. Happy 1st of the month. Rent is due. So guys, we're about to go on a hike.
I'm feeling more confident.
Hey.
Are you excited for the hike?
Yes, I'm so excited to show everybody what I got. I'm not a fat so excited for all man, this gonna be lit as Let's do this. Let's do this.
This is what I've been training for.
Oh,
Yeah, you know.
period.
This is what this ass was made for. Oh god, for hiking? Yes. That ass was.
Y'all look at their matching outfits. Cheese. We are going on this little hike. We saw our little fox friend again today, but I don't think it was the same fox, y'all. And yes, also it's a fox, not a coyote. So
It's a fox.
it's a fox. So yeah, we're about to head out and then probably go to Target and then
No, we're going hiking in Target.
that's what I said.
Oh.
Then I guess come back until we go to axe throwing. Yeah. So see you guys later.
You are here. What's this? This is a hut. I might have a lighter.
I really hate her.
Okay, y'all. I'm gonna take a picture of this. Y'all gonna follow me. Let's go. I was a brownie
Girl.
I was not.
up until high school.
Yes. I can't breathe, yo.
So we're currently on the hike, and y'all, the higher we get, the harder it is to breathe. So we're not going that far. So I'm ready to go back down. But everyone's taking pictures and such. I didn't really dress for pictures, so I was just like, maybe next time I come to Colorado. But you know, till then. So after this hike, we are going to Target buy and bring a mask or my purse. So I probably won't be walking. But so I'll hit you guys when something's going on. Hey y'all, so we are currently ready to go axe throwing right now. We had a nice little brunch and chill.
Lauren.
Yes.
You can't say no.
You can't say no. But anyway, so.
It's so nasty.
No, it's not. It actually tastes good.
It tastes like vitamins.
Okay, what's wrong with that?
Disgusting.
Okay.
Wait, I'm going upstairs.
Vitamins are bad for you kids.
No, they're not. Don't say that. I'm coming. All right, guys. So let's go. All right, y'all. So we are at the Mountain Axe place, and the ladies are throwing down. They're doing such a great job. Let me show you guys. Woo! Good job. Good job. Dang.
We got some problems, baby, but don't let your problems get you. Forget about your problems, baby, and understand we gon' get through. And we got some problems that women can't solve when we throw our hands up in the air. We got some problems, so act like you don't got them, party like you just don't care. I had an interview, but I woke up too late. Now I'm eating this donut, feeling like I got a toothache. Everything is telling me I shouldn't feel too great. Everyone is telling me that your dog is too late.
Alright, y'all, so we just made it to the steakhouse. It's looking like we're gonna have a really good dinner, so sleepy pants here, but anyway. Yeah, we're just at dinner, so yeah, time to eat.
Hit me up if you wanna make love, but don't call my phone.